Welcome to Oscar Island Style, your virtual gateway to a culinary paradise where the flavors of the tropics come to life in every dish. I'm your host, Oscar, and I'm here to take you on a mouth-watering journey through the vibrant and exotic world of island-inspired cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, you've come to the right place to explore the tantalizing tastes and rich cultural heritage of island cuisine. From sizzling jerk chicken to refreshing coconut-infused cocktails, we've got it all covered. So, grab your apron, dust off your taste buds, and get ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will transport you to the sunny shores of the Caribbean, the Pacific, and beyond. Subscribe now and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious moment on Oscar Island Style. Jamaican Curry Goat is a flavorful and traditional Jamaican dish that's enjoyed by many. Here's a basic recipe to make it. The complete list of ingredients and cooking instructions are in the description. Ingredients: 3 pounds, 1.4 kilograms, goat meat, bone-in, cut into small pieces. 3 tablespoons Jamaican curry powder. 1 teaspoon allspice, pimento, berries. 3 to 4 garlic cloves, minced. 1 medium onion, chopped. 2 scallions, chopped. 2 to 3 Scotch bonnet peppers, adjust your spice preference. 2 sprigs thyme. 2 to 3 potatoes, peeled and cut into chunks, optional. 2 to 3 tablespoons vegetable oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Water. Lime or lemon juice for washing the meat. Instructions: start by cleaning the goat meat. Rinse it with water and squeeze lime or lemon juice over the pieces. This helps to reduce the strong gamey flavor of the meat. Rinse the meat thoroughly and pat it dry with paper towels. In a large bowl, combine the curry powder, minced garlic, and a bit of salt and pepper. Rub this mixture all over the goat meat. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, but overnight is even better for more flavor. Heat the vegetable oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot, like a Dutch oven, over medium heat. Add the meat and sear it until it's brown on all sides. You may need to do this in batches to avoid overcrowding the pot. Once the meat is browned, remove it from the pot and set it aside. In the same pot, add the chopped onion, scallions, and Scotch bonnet peppers. Sauté for a few minutes until the onions are translucent. Return the seared meat to the pot and add the allspice berries and thyme sprigs. Add enough water to the pot to cover the meat. Stir to combine all the ingredients. Cover the pot and simmer over low heat for about 2 to 2.5 hours, or until the meat is tender. If using potatoes, add them during the last 30 minutes of cooking. Taste the curry goat and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. You can also adjust the level of spiciness at this point by adding more Scotch bonnet peppers if desired. Let the curry goat simmer for an additional 10 to 15 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Serve your Jamaican curry goat with rice and peas, white rice, or some traditional Jamaican hard dough bread. Enjoy this delicious and spicy Jamaican dish. That's a wrap for today's island-inspired culinary journey, my fellow flavor enthusiasts. I hope you enjoyed this taste of paradise and are now equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to bring a bit of island magic to your own kitchen. Remember, the beauty of island cooking lies not only in the ingredients but also in the spirit of sharing and celebration. So, if you whipped up one of our recipes, share it with hashtag Oscar Island Style on social media, and let's create a virtual feast together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delectable island delights, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest gastronomic adventures. Until next time, may your dishes be flavorful, your spirits be high, and your hearts be as warm as a tropical sunset. Farewell, my friends, and keep the island vibes alive. Oscar Island Style.